Rap. Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Hi! Dito na kami sa Clark Airport. Hi! We're boarding and we're going to Siargao. Let's go! Hi! Good morning! For today, pupunta muna kami sa Siargao Beach Resort para bumili ng drinks and tumambay. So, let's go! Hi! Here in Siargao Beach Resort. Look, super ganda ng view. They also have pool, pero exclusive lang ata siya for in-house guests. And this is their restaurant. Naglalakad lang kami ngayon around General Luna. Naghahanap kami ng rentahan ng motor. Wala lang kasi masyadong available and puro fasyo lang. Ayun, fasyo. Parang around 500 per day. Eh, Honda Beat parang iba 350 lang. Kaya ayun. Hanap din kami siguro ng kakainan for dinner. We're here. Look.
Hello, guys.
Hi guys, we're here in Sev. I don't know how to pronounce it. I think it's Sev. Grabe, super crowded dito. I tried to book a reservation earlier, pero sabi sa Instagram, fully booked na sila until May 18. And pala ngayon, May 13. So, nag-walk-in na lang kami. And pang 6 kami sa listahan. So many people. But I think worth it naman kasi masarap daw yung food dito. So, to-try namin yung kinilaw nila and yung mga best seller. So, let's go eat. This is the Pacifico. And ito yung General Luna. The garlic rice. Next naman is yung the difference between General Luna and yung Pacifico. General Luna daw, they use suka. And for Pacifico, they use calamansi. So good. Crunchy caramel.
Isa to.
Hi, good morning. We're here sa port ng General. Hinihintay lang namin yung iba namin kasama sa booth. So, yung tour namin is Tri Island Tour. And we book through Agoda. So, if plan nyo mag-tour, pwede nyo gamitin yung code ko in Agoda, which is Ash Activities. So, naka-discount kayo ng up to 10%. I think. So, yun. Let's go!
Swimming ka, swimming ka. Swimming ka, ha? Basahin mo yung buhok mo, ha? Baka hindi mo basahin yung buhok mo.
Mag-i-snorkeling ako pero yung buhok ko hindi.
Yung
Hindi
mata,
mababasa.
yung mata mo, mawawala yung ano. Okay.
Dahil kung Tagalog sa Pilipinas.
Nasa boat na kami. Connecting flight daw. Lipat kami sa mas malaking boat.
From low tide to high tide, yun ang connecting flight dito sa Siargao.
Hi. Hi, we're here sa second boat. Pangalawang boat. After connecting flight. Connecting flight.
We can still see the light.
We're here sa second side trip, which is the snorkeling area.
How many promises we honest? How many people that hit the floor? How many bad things to take them back? Tell me that. How many evil odds? No more. If you let them inside of your world, there'll be one less lonely girl. So many pretty faces.
Hi, we're here sa first island stop, which is the Naked Island. Actually, wala siyang silong. Like, naked talaga. Nasa gitna lang siya ng dagat, look. So, if you're ready to get tan, yan. Dito ka na lang magpatan. Super init. As in. Hi, dito kami sa second island, which is the Daku Island.
Saan? Huwag sa mainit, kuya. Huwag sa mainit.
Super pretty. Dito kami nag-lunch. And, patambay lang muna. I think the next is yung Guya. So, let's go. Pahinga muna tayo. And, watch tayo ng volleyball. Tawag dito?
Salbaro po.
Salbaro. Oh. Try mo nga.
Frankie.
Ako, patigim. Sarap. Lasang ano?
Kapatid niyo.
Nova na malaki.
Ma'am, ilan mo lang ma'am? Next kayo ma'am.
Matabi.
Ma'am, dito ka muna ma'am. Lapit kayo sir sa table sir. Lapit sir.
Yan. Pang! Oh. Next stop. Last stop. Let's go. Woo!
We're here. Sa Guyam Island.
Guyam Island.
Someday you will find me drunk beneath the landslide. The champagne scooping over wherever you want.
Ano orderin mo?
Mango shake.
You're so wonderful and special.
Ano ba? Secret friend.
We sound was
Graham na lang yung isa.
Sige po. Ito rin.
Yung isa mango.
your choice.
Ito yung burger.
Yung secret. Good for two.
Malaki po yung secret.
Secret lang yun siya.
Tama yun.
Ano ba?
Sige, secret na lang po. Huwag na po yung Graham.
Ano po yung difference nila? Size lang?
You say, 'cause I will love you till they take my heart away. Bawat minutong lumilipas,
Burger for you! Let's go! Kain!
nahanap kita. Nahanap
Burger. This is secret burger.
Hindi na secret kasi pinakita na namin.
Sa isip at panaginip.
bawat pagpipit na nahanap kita.
And this is our merienda. Mango shake, mango graham shake, and circuit burger. Sobrang juicy ng patty. The best.
Bati siya.
Woke up on a Tuesday, the sky was gray, but inside my heart, sunshine all the way. Got my favorite trainers laced up tight, gonna chase my dreams there in plain sight.
Going to Palm Bridge. Let's go!
Manununtok lang ako ng Israeli doon. Eh,
Kami sa Palm Bridge. And ito na pala.
kasi abang din. Sasapakin ko.
Parang less crowded na siya. Parang nandun na lahat ng mga tao sa bago na ng spot. Yung malinaw, skate park.
Let's go. Magkano kuya? 150.
Ayun yung kinakain ng mga babae kanina.
Flower mango, guys.
Kain na kami dito, dinner. Let's go. Let's go.
But yes, you got Diane. You can sing with us here too. Singing random songs if you like singing. For sure, my mom is going to request.
Sa mura lang
Because
kami
we want
kakain
to do
ngayon.
that. But give us 2 to 3
Try namin yung
songs
inihaw
from
na
my
paa and
choice.
tinae.
Which
I think
song
isaw yun.
can be played?
Wait lang namin yung buti namin ay
Salamat po for dining here tonight. Welcome to Dita's Room.
chill lang muna kami. Sana masarap yung food nila. So, let's wait. Bye. Here's the food. Kainan na.
Do you sing? Do you want to sing? Do you want to sing?
We ordered.
Batiin na lang natin, Rex Castro Nuevo. Happy
Ito yung
birthday to you, lover boy ng
chicken intestine.
Bandihan 4.
Kinain daw yung ganyan dito. Pero isaw lang siya sad.
Not sure kung ukay-ukay ang
Plus rice. Let's go eat.
But happy birthday, Sir Rex.
Dito.
Dito kami sa Siargao. Baba Ice Cream. Lang.
Day 2 of trying different flavors from Halika.
Toothpick.
Ang flavor na to ay salted caramel
Latte.
Oreo. Super sarap. Ang tinry namin kahapon ay caramel, crunchy caramel donut. Salut!
Let's try.
Yes.
Halika.
Try nyo lahat ng flavor dito. Bago kayo mag-buy actually, hindi muna kayo nag-taste.
Pwede yun. Tikman mo lahat. Tapos huwag ka bumili.
Bye-bye! Good morning! Pupunta kami ngayon ng Whitebeard Cafe para mag-breakfast. Time check, it's 8:16. Kasi tayo makapunta kami kanina. Hi!
Tapos namin tumakbo. Breakfast muna. Tapos punta kami sa Sugba Lagoon.
Yes!
See you there. Okay? Let's go.
Let's go!
Yo, dito kami ngayon sa Whitebird. Dito kami breakfast. Bab,
Let's go
gutom ka na ba? Gutom ka na?
Yeah.
Ano in order mo?
Um,
Huwag mo sabihin, mamaya mo na sabihin.
sige!
Dumating na ang almusal. Okay. Let's eat, let's eat, let's eat. After 30 minutes, may nakasabay kami. Anong pupuntahan doon?
Dragon.
Secret Lagoon. Punta kami Secret Lagoon. Let's go. My bag.
Hello!
Where are you now?
Cloud9!
Cloud9 kami, Cloud9. Ito pa. Di ba? Sarado pa yung 8. Yung 9 muna. Sa 9 muna kami. Ito na kami dito sa babae. Dinner. Bili muna kami ng drinks. Bili muna kami ng drinks. Tapos, yun. Pusin lang namin na orsa. Ito naman. Captain America. Captain America. Ayan ang view namin, oh. Papapam, pang, pang. Ano pong orderin, ma'am?
Sa pong kanin baboy special and lechon sinigang.
Okay, ranchuhan na to. Dito yan sa kanin baboy.
Good morning! Day 4 in Siargao. Day 4? Yes, day 4. Ito kami ngayon sa Takam. Malapit siya sa kanin baboy. And, in-order ko yung sandwich nila, yung grilled cheese. Masarap daw kasi grilled cheese na dito. Dito kami para mag-breakfast and then we're going to the north. Puntahan namin yung $1 Million View. Magsusurf kami sa Pacifico Beach and actually balak namin punta dapat ng Province Perch pero check na lang namin kung kasya pa sa tide. And that's it. Let's go! Bye!
How to eat that one, ma'am?
The best way to eat the bacon wings is toast, cheese, sweet potato, alumit, then stuff into the bread. And after that, dip in the homemade pumpkin soup and take a bite.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Let's go eat! Ito yung grilled cheese nila. And this is the Pepsi and blueberry latte. Yummers!
Tapos na kami mag-picture-picture. Punta na kami sa
Sa north.
north na kami. Pacifico. Doon kami mag-serve. See you there. Let's go. Pang!
Naka-smile. Safety naman tayo, ma'am. Kung tatalon ka, ma'am, both side lang. Huwag kang tatalon sa harap, sa likod kasi delikado. Kung tatalon ka lang, ma'am,
Dito ako, kuya. Practice muna.
Recall muna kung may naalala pa.
pagin mo na. Yan. Parang si Pilmar, ah. Tayo.
Filmar daw.
Mali, sir. Mali. Dito pala. Yan. Yan. Kailangan, sir, yung right mo na kami doon. Oh. Middle lang. Oo,
Dating na po yung food. And chicken, bicol, sisig, sabaw, rice, ay ba?
kakatakalan lang namin dito sa Clark Airport. And wala na kami masyado naging itinerary for today. I just tried Mat Pilates sa Happiness Hostel. And bumili ng pasalubong, nag-chill, kumain, and ayun, alis na kami. Pupunta na kami ngayon sa sakayan papuntang Naiya. And let's go.